Hey everyone, Lorna Evans here, and I wanted to share with you what is in my bag. So this is the bag of tools that every single student that is enrolled in our braiding and long hair program at school will actually receive. So let me show you what we've got. So the great thing about all these tools is not only will you get to use them throughout this program, but you should have them in your toolkit for many, many years to come to make all your looks absolutely stunning. Definitely by far one of our most purchased products ever is our Time Saver brush. Now the Time Saver brush is a boar bristle and a nylon brush, and you will find the finish that you get on hair is second to none. So what else have we got in our bag? We have got our curved comb. Now our curved comb is made of carbon, and yes, it's curved, but the head is not straight, so why are you always using a straight comb? Perfect for beautiful waves. You will do the best ponytails that you have ever created. The next tool in your toolkit is going to be our big tail comb. So they're actually made of the same, so which is our high grade carbon, and you're going to find that this is not only awesome for your styling but brilliant for color work as well. So we're going to pop that in there. And if we keep going in, what we've now got is we've got some padding mix. Now, when I'm teaching beautiful chignons, we're never ever using any synthetic donuts. What we like to do is actually create our own padding mix using our padding mix, and you'll also get a little hairnet in there as well. So let's go right in here now, and I'm going to show you the Weave It. So Weave It comes in this little beautiful little case, which you can put all your other little bits and pieces into. And this is the Weave It. So when you put the Weave It in your hand, you'll know exactly what I mean when I say it feels beautiful. So the Weave It is for doing very intricate work, and I'll show you some really hot tips and tricks. It comes all the way from the UK and is manufactured, not manufactured, but one of the pieces is engineered by the people that make Rolls-Royce. It feels fabulous, and it is a beautiful tool to work with. You'll also get this little part in your kit which has a needle, and yes, I'm going to teach you how to stitch hair. Stitching hair is absolutely gorgeous. It is probably one of the hottest looks at the moment, and that's number one thing that you'll notice about our student program is all the looks are current to today's hair fashion, but yet maps to your long hair styling and braiding units. You've got your linen thread there, which is for your sewing. Once you really feel like you're starting to get the hang of it, I'm going to show you how to do some modern finger waves. So you've got your beautiful waving clips to work with there. And this is bungee tape. I think you're going to love bungee tape. Bungee tape is 10 times stronger than any hair tie that is on the market, and it's seamless. So it is the most up-to-date way of being able to secure hair, and I think you're going to love it. The next little bit that you've got here is you have got what we call our little secret bands, but really they're dental bands. I use them so much, so you've got to have some of those. This is your hairnet to make your padding. And last but certainly not least is you'll have a couple of these gold cards which you can cut in half, and we use them to stop any marking in the hair, and they look like fun. The program is only available at your school, so make sure you go and have a chat with your teacher. So not only will you get your kit, but you'll also be enrolled into the library, and the library is full of all the tutorials that is mapped to the braiding and the long hair styling units. So the great thing is you'll be able to download the app, you can watch it on your mobile phone, you can even watch it on a laptop, any device really. But best of all, when you leave school, this program will leave with you. So imagine if you're doing a wedding party down the track and you just want to go back and revisit what you learned. Well, you can certainly be able to do that as well. So go and have a chat with your teachers. If you have any questions from us, please feel free, send us a message anytime. Look forward to having you on the program.